Alright, man. Well, YouTube doesn't like me uploading videos more than 18 minutes long, so I'm going to break this up into 18-minute chunks. There's a full video if you want to see this saw go from a junked out mechanic special to a running saw. But as far as the YouTube goes, they wanted an 18-minute chunk. So this is one of the parts, and you'll see the rest of the parts, or you can go back and watch the video. Whatever you do, get out there. Have you some man time, too. Alright, if my lathe is fairly tight and my measurements were correct, I should be coming out right about 22 to 23 thousandths. I was really trying to kid myself, you know, that I wanted something that wasn't like a super rowdy saw. What was I thinking? No, I want something that's, you fire it up and it immediately puts a smile on your face. I mean, that's what I want. Okay, let's see where we ended up here. Yeah, right on the money. 20 to 23. Right there. Okay, that's what I wanted. Let's continue on. Alright, so I'm back in reassembly. And man, this is just... this is so much fun. I mean, that's why I guess I keep making these chainsaw videos. They're just so much fun for me. If there's anybody out there that's on some high-speed chainsaw stuff, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down there in the comments. Yeah, this is just too much fun for me. Okay, let's see, where are we at here? We got the cylinder on. We got the oil pump in. We got 2 O-rings. I like to put an extra O-ring up here for some additional kind of security and comfort. What else do we need? We need our clutch on. We need this cover plate on. I think that will pretty much wrap it up this side of the situation, along with our brake flag. I did find one useful thing on this installation tool. The size seems to be perfect for setting these bearings. And I just basically hit it, you know, in there. And it pretty much sets it perfect, I think. Yeah, it's got that little recess. I think that's actually what that's for. I don't know what the other part of it does, but that seems to work pretty good. Okay, back together. Let's go. High speed. Okay, so it's got a little jiggle in it. I want to rotate it toward timing. We'll do that. And we'll get our 13. Yeah, hopefully it comes together pretty quick here. I'm losing light. There we go. Trying to figure out which bolts go where. Alright, well, it is times like these I just start getting all giddy like a dang schoolgirl about to go jump rope, you know what I'm saying? It's a weird feeling for a man, but it does happen. You just have to let it happen, you know? Alright, those are in. We are ready to go here. Let's put this back on, even though I'm just not even going to. It's almost more harm than good on this unit here, because once you pull the limiters off of there, it's just so hard to see. You have to pull the cover off to get a good look at it. Okay, last thing. No exhaust. Alright, so pro tip, get a few of these $10 mufflers off of eBay, and then cut a big 1-inch hole in it, and then weld a 1-inch piece of pipe in it. There you go. High flow exhaust. Yeah, they're gonna be a little off, right? They aren't gonna be OEM quality, obviously, but they're definitely gonna do the job. But what I'm saying, like this thing here, it's like a ways away from home, you know. But you can just bring it back, get them started by hand here, and then may even want to loosen up here and here, right? And then get these started, because these are the important ones. Get these in and driven home, and then go back to the and then it'll just kind of work itself out. Yeah. Okay. Oh goodness. Goodness gracious. Okay, we are ready for fuel. Alright, man, what a journey. First fire after full rebuild, port work, and machine work. So, let's see why my pull start isn't working. That's interesting. And I tighten the crank. Going through in my mind like all the stuff that I should have done that maybe I didn't do. It's been a long day. I've been working on the barn door, got the utility room all finished up. Alright, let's see if this will fire. Gotta turn it on. Yeah. May have flooded it. Alright, I must have missed a part or something in here. There's got to be some sort of return spring that I'm missing. It just keeps kind of wanting to work its way back. I guess that was that popping and crackling as I tighten those down. But, yeah. That's going to be a saw that puts a smile on your face every time you go to run it. Oh, man. Once you go to a ported saw that's, you know, machined work, port timed, gone through with detail, care, and love, it's hard to go back. This saw was hurting, and it turns out this crank, you know, was the problem. Even though the only obvious sign was purple, you know, bluing on the actual rod. So I guess that is a, you know, something to look for there. And, you know, of course the piston damage, but, you know, looking this over, I didn't see anything wrong with it that would have, well, I missed it. But redemption is mine. That's good man time right there. Anyways, it's coming up on hay season and summertime, so videos are going to slow down a little bit. I'm going to get back to hay season. I've got basically this year's cut completely sold, and orders, you know, already waiting on this first cut. So it is going to be time to get the hay equipment ready and get in the field and do some work. So if you guys want to see that, make sure to let me know down in the comments there. Otherwise, get out there, have me some man time too.